Hello lovely, Cherry here. Today I have a small video of me making a start on Lopunny Cosplay from Pokemon. I didn't show the making of the base because it was too nude and no perving here. Right now I have two pieces, a tube top and a short skirt. They are ready for fur detailing and the skirt still needs a zipper. The zipper is on now and I will be I made some arm deco after sewing the fur on the skirt and top. Here's a quick fitting. I love the outfit already, just a little too revealing. Luckily for me, this is not the end of the design. Hi friends! So as you can see, this is the first fitting of the cosplay from Lopunny. I know it has been a real short video, like around 3 to 4 minutes, but I think this is everything that I can do today. These are just some old airs from another project that is just not finished, but I found it fitting for right now. So I still really need to trim the fur and I need to brush this and make it less awkward for this and make some foot decorations, feet slash leg decorations. I will make an overlay skirt or a top or something because it is cold here in the Netherlands and I know I will freeze to death in this outfit. And it has been fun for a few hours today and I started today, so it has been not a long project, but I hope you like this already, even though it's not done yet, and there will be a part 2, just finishing up what I want as decorations and more coverage. So thanks for watching, I love you, and see y'all later!